while I was watching Netflix, I found a good example of Japanese. Please listen.
はい。すみません、新天王寺はどこですか？
通り過ぎた。新天王寺はあっちだ。
Actually, I couldn't understand where she was trying to go. I could understand what she tried to say because the Japanese boy pronounced the place correctly. Shintennouji is the correct pronunciation. Shintennouji. This is not Shintennouji. Shintennouji. If you say Shintennouji, most Japanese people catch it as Shintennouji. 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 Shintennouji に聞こえるんですね。はい。Shintennouji. Please notice that has one more about Japanese pronunciation. Most important thing is each hiragana with the same length of time, including Please watch this video and this video. And these videos will help you to practice Japanese pronunciation because each hiragana with the same length of time, we can practice it with, metronome. Same length. こんにちは。ありがとう。よろしくお願いします。Same length of time. This is really, really important. Good luck with your study.